Did I buy it for show? I don't think I'd say I bought it for show. A reason why I did buy it is to promote my personal brand, to promote this channel. Did I buy the car to drive the car? Yes. I did buy the car to drive the car. The question that the commenter or the viewer had asked me is, what's the point of having the car if you don't want to track it? So do I plan on tracking the car down the road? Yeah, I do. Me knowing that I have this car gives me confidence and assurance, knowing that I could pretty much do anything in this world, which is a big thing. Would I be fine without this car? Yeah, I completely would be.